Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video. Today, why my eyes? I felt my eyes go crazy for some. Either way, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. Today we have a quick unboxing of a new trimmer from Wahl. Give me 1 second. Now, I have already unboxed it. I have already used it a little bit, but we're not gonna review it now. But we are going to talk about what comes in the box. This came from Wahl, all in the details. This is the HI-VIZ trimmer from Wahl. On the website, it is $1.99. You can use my discount code, save you some money, Cuts by Reggie 10. But it is $1.99 on the website at the moment. Don't believe this is the packaging. It will be coming in, but after opening up everything, I kind of wish they would have sent me the actual box that it would come in, but this is what they sent me. Once you open it, boom, that's how the trimmer came. Comes with a few details here. Precision in full view, trimming power perfected, assembled by hand, runs cooler, lasts longer. That's more talking about the blade. In the machine, stand cooler, the blade stands sharp longer. It says 8 times sharper than the standard steel blades. Easy to zero gap, comfort, what they say, comfort in every curve, which is pretty much based off the detail and the design of this trimmer. But we'll talk about the trimmer in a second. So once I open this, if I could get it out. Don't judge me. You're looking at me and judging me. Anyway, that's just a little. Then it just came with 3 boxes up under there, which one of the boxes came with the. One box came with the Wahl charging dock, which if you have seen the Wahl charging, where it comes with 3, it's like a crazy good box, like the 245 box, something like that, but it's the Wahl version. It comes with these clips on there where you can alternate from different clippers, trimmers, shavers. So I think this is good because it looked like they're gonna I don't know if they're gonna start selling them one by one, but this one does come with the charging block, but also with one of the inserts. And this how the inserts are. You just clip it in, and then you got your charging dock for the clipper, or like I said, they got other clips. You get the shavers or the clippers in there as well. One of the other boxes that was in there came with the charging cable. So you got the charging cable, which of course plugs into the charging dock, and you can also plug in to the clipper. And this also, which is new from Wahl, also has the USB-C charging cable right there, which that's going universal for sure right now. Like if you're an iPhone user, you can tell with the iPhones, even they have went to the USB-C. So you got that as well. So it's more universal. I'm pretty sure by now we all have one of those sitting around. All right. And then in the other other bag, the other box that was in there, you get a cleaning brush, and then the oils and stuff like that. Nothing really added to it. This one don't even come with the trimmer guards, which Wahl usually is good with the trimmer guards. But they do come with the pamphlets and stuff, but it's not a lot of information on the box about the trimmer. But this is the trimmer here. That is the design. It is an all metal body, and these grips right here, is very it's very grippy, if that makes sense. So it's slippery here, but where you're gonna be holding that in the back and on the side, that grip is very it's not smooth, so it's very, once you got it in your hand, it's very nice to use. And I have used this on a few heads I'm not gonna go too deep in detail of the use of it, but so far I've used it on 2 or 3 different heads. It's been pretty decent straight out the box, but we will get a better use of that once we go through different textures, different head shapes and all that stuff, whether it is there to get the job done like it should be. But so far it's been pretty good. If you can see, it got a different style of blade on there and got HI-VIZ written on it. This gives you 2.5 hours of runtime, if I'm not mistaken. 2.5 hours of runtime, and I think like 45 minutes to charge, 45 minutes to an hour to get a full charge. So with that being said, we're not looking at a bad product in the sense of the machine. This is how it sounds. But this is going dead. I did charge it a little bit, but as you can see, it got little LEDs there, and it is blinking now. So it is blinking. The trimmer is going dead, but so far it has been pretty decent out the box. I'm not a fan of the way that they look, but once you're using it, it fits right. It seems like it makes sense. This longer extra neck. I mean, I know a lot of our trimmers are they get the 360 view, the skeleton view and all that stuff, but this seems like it got like an extended long neck to get into. Like, it just seems like it can reach different places. You have to use it to understand what I'm saying. And then it comes with the wide blade on there. So far I am not mad at this trimmer. Again, this is not a full review, but we will get a full review soon. Again, this is available on the website. This is $199. You can use my discount code Cuts by Reggie 10, save you a couple dollars when you are ordering, right? And again, this is the HI-VIZ trimmer from Wahl. $199. The price, now the price is the price. It is what it is. Once I get into use, then I'll determine if that price is overpriced or, you know, whatever. But based off of everything that's on the market, it is having a lot to live up to with that pricing. But we'll get into it. It could blow me away. So far it's been pretty decent. I have been able to get some decent lines, but I haven't been able to use it on a ball fade and stuff like that. So that's when I'm gonna really get my usage out of it, different textures, taking out ball lines and all that good stuff. So be on the lookout for that review. Yeah. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and I'll be back with another review, unboxing, tutorial, something. I'm working on getting my content together, right? I appreciate everybody who has subscribed to the channel so far. Again, we are working on getting 20,000 subscribers. I have a pretty decent giveaway plan right now at 20,000. Trying to lay it out to make sure it's a pretty decent one. So yeah, be on the lookout for that, and peace.